Welcome to Health Break by UPMC Health Plan, your quick guide to health, wellness, and how to make the most of your health insurance plan. You can listen during your coffee break, lunch break, or anytime you need a break. I'm your host, Dr. Camille Clark-Smith. I help to oversee the quality of the plans we offer at UPMC Health Plan.
And I'm your co-host, Alex Trainer. I'm a senior health coach who works with our members on healthy lifestyle habits and goals. This is your Health Break.
Hey everyone, Dr. Camille Clark-Smith here. Today we're joined by Dr. Nicholas DeGregorio to discover the simple ways UPMC Health Plan members can connect with their doctors through telehealth. Thank you so much, Dr. Nick, for taking a health break with us today. When we talk about telehealth, how can I see a doctor online? And what does that really mean?
So many doctors today are using telehealth technology to be able to see their patients not only in the office, but also through their smartphone or computer or other mobile devices. UPMC uses the My UPMC platform, and that enables you to see your UPMC doctor for a scheduled telehealth visit. Your doctor will send you a link for the visit to access online at the appropriate time of your appointment. And UPMC also offers virtual urgent care visits, and that can also be accessed through your mobile device or computer or phone during operating hours, and that's without a scheduled visit. So anything that comes up urgently whenever you need to be seen, you can do so without having to arrange for childcare or transportation, so very convenient. And these virtual visits, as we mentioned, can be done on any of your mobile devices, your smartphone, your tablet, or your computer. Other practices may have a web portal that you need to access for e-visits. So it's important to check with your doctor about whether they, one, do telehealth visits, and secondly, what are the instructions? How do you access them for a virtual visit?
So it sounds like a lot of providers are using telehealth. Do all primary care providers and even specialists like psychiatrists offer telehealth appointments?
Yeah, many providers today offer telehealth appointments. And it's important to, again, check with your doctor to confirm it and learn how to access it. Even those who didn't previously started to do them during COVID because it was important for them to stay connected to their patients. And for a while, that was the only way to do so. But now that, people are going back into the offices to see their doctor, telehealth visits are still remaining very popular, both among the doctors and the patients with high levels of satisfaction.
So what if my provider doesn't offer telehealth visits? What do you recommend that I do?
Well, again, there's always the option of seeing your doctor in the office, and many doctors prefer that. Many patients might prefer that as well. But other options include the UPMC MyHealth 24/7 nurse line. Nurses that are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to listen to your symptoms and talk to you about any healthcare questions that you might have, and or to make referrals to doctors, or they can even warm transfer you right to the UPMC Anywhere Care. And then again, that's the other option, is directly accessing UPMC Anywhere Care if your provider isn't available and you need help with those really non-emergency conditions.
So I've made my telehealth appointment, but how should I prepare for it?
I think first, review the instructions you're given to access the telehealth visit. Have the software or the app ready on your smartphone or your tablet or your computer. Find a private space, where you may not be overheard by others. Make sure your wireless connection is working. And then, as you would for any visit, have a list of your medicines and your medication doses available for your doctor. And make sure you list all of the questions you want to ask your doctor, and then be able to take notes as well so that you can, remember what the doctor said. Try to join the visit a little bit early, so in case you're having any connectivity problems, you can troubleshoot that and make sure you're available at the time of your appointment.
That's great advice. Now, if I've prepared for my telehealth appointment, what should I expect for during and after the call?
Yeah, it's a lot like a regular doctor's visit. Your doctor will hear your complaints and take your medical history, ask you any relevant questions to your symptoms. It's important that you describe your symptoms, as carefully as possible and as detailed as possible. But your doctor will usually direct those questions as well, so that he can get the history that he needs. Then it's important that you ask your questions. And again, Write down the responses so that you can remember what the doctor said. Telehealth visits are really safe and secure. A lot of security is built in and around them so that they're private. And then after the call, it's important that you follow up. So just like after a visit, your doctor may prescribe a medication or may prescribe tests. So it's important to get the medicine filled or the tests completed if your doctor feels that they're needed. And then if you have any other questions or concerns in follow-up, you can, contact your doctor. So just a personal experience, I just, had the other day a virtual visit with my provider through the My UPMC app. And I just opened the app a few minutes before the visit, and right in front of me was a little link saying, begin your video visit. I just touched that link. I was in the waiting room. The doctor joined in about 1 minute for the visit. So very, very easy and very convenient. And then I actually had a follow-up question. And right through the My UPMC app, you can just type in your question and hit send, and your doctor, for non-urgent questions, non-emergency questions, will answer you within a day or two.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nick, for taking a health break with us today and telling us how we can connect with doctors online.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Filter for virtual visits in the UPMC Health Plan Provider Directory to find a doctor near you who is in-network and offering telehealth. Or use UPMC Anywhere Care to see a provider in minutes. Find show notes and more information at upmchealthplan.com/podcast. Join us as we explore other health and wellness topics in the next episode of Health Break. This podcast is for informational and educational purposes. It is not medical care or advice. Individuals in need of medical care should consult their personal care provider. Views and opinions expressed by the hosts and guests are solely their own and do not necessarily reflect those of UPMC Health Plan and its employees.